Good afternoon, everyone, on this beautiful late summer day. Today's adventure brings us over here to Max Barbecue in Warm Springs, Georgia. And we are about to sample some delicious homemade barbecue. And they're in there right now cooking some barbecue. It smells so good. And it's a little bitty tiny place over here. Really cute. Looks like a little caboose in Warm Springs. Georgia. Me too. That is so cute. I love your shirts.
Oh, thank you.
They're so cute. Little pig face. This is the dining room area. The cute little dining room area. They usually have tables set up. And it's a really, really unique experience. It's like you're sitting in a caboose when you eat. And I'm going to come back and sit inside there one of these days and eat me some real pit barbecue here at Max in Warm Springs, Georgia. We are about to try some of this delicious, delicious barbecue here at Max in Warm Springs, Georgia. This is my meal. Just came to my table. I have Brunswick stew, pulled pork, and French fries, and a sweet tea. And I'm about to let everybody know how good it is. Let me try this Brunswick stew real quick. That tastes great. That's homemade. It's warm. It's got corn. And it's barbecue. And it's stewed. It's perfect Brunswick stew. I think that's the best Brunswick stew I've had in a while. It's absolutely delicious. It's perfect for a day like this. That is so good. I love it. That is absolutely the most delicious Brunswick stew I think I've ever tasted. Right here at Max. how delicious. This is so good. Wonderful. And I know the pulled pork here is fantastic because I ate here about 5 years ago when I came down to Pine Mountain. I ran over here to Max to eat here in Warm Springs. Just like I remember. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. It has a great hickory flavor. That's real pit barbecue. It's very tender, very warm when it comes out. You can just taste the flavor in it. And I love hickory. I'm a huge fan of hickory smoked barbecue. This is incredible. This is absolutely incredible. So good. So good. Right here at Max. If you're a huge fan of Brunswick stew, they have the best in the area. It is so delicious. The fries are made to order. And they're so good. Crispy. Warm. And I love them. They're deep fried. So good. Incredible. But most of all, the Brunswick stew is amazing. Absolutely delicious. Absolutely, absolutely delicious. That was delicious, Brunswick stew. I very much so enjoyed it. Right here at Max. Right across from Max is the sidewalk which leads to the Bluebird Cottage, and I'm going to link the second video I did on this area in the description below. And it's a unique little area where they have shopping, gifts made in the USA, which I'm a huge fan of. They have all kinds of beautiful potted plants, and sometimes that fountain's going. But right now, there's a thunderstorm coming, so they probably have it turned off. Up there's a cute little place. There's cute little cottages. Back here, it's real old-fashioned. And that's a picture of FDR and Fowler looking right through the window there. How cute. And they just have this little square. And it looks like they're getting ready for fall. So if you're in Warm Springs, this is a cute little place to visit back here. Nice little area, little shaded area to cool off in the hot summer. And it's really, really unique. Right down the sidewalk. Right here at Max. Real pit barbecue. And there's their hours of operation. They're open 11 to 7. Monday 11 to 3. That's unique. And they have the most delicious Brunswick stew here at Max. Pit Barbecue in Warm Springs, Georgia. And if you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And most importantly, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.